Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread where I tried out a different bullet journal layout and did a Halloween theme in light of, I say in light of, but in commemoration, I don't know, for the hashtag HP Who Done It. I know it was a little confusing because all of that happened on Instagram and not here on YouTube, but I still wanted to show you how I created my Halloween spread. And just even saying that, I have such a hard time with Halloween when it comes to decorating for it because it's not me. So this was definitely out of my comfort zone, but I think it turned out pretty well considering. So this week I will be doing another bullet journal. I really like playing around with different layouts, although this layout will be vertical. I basically measured it. It is going to be a vertical bullet journal layout, but I'm gonna do a few different things with the way that this is set out. All right, let's get started. So I'm gonna first go in and start drawing in the lines. Now, I'm still kind of unsure how I want to do this, whether just to, actually I'm gonna try and start from lower down and go to about there. Now, because that hasn't actually been measured, we'll see if I can make that match all the way across the board. And it will essentially be a vertical layout. Now that's done, I can actually erase these lines, although I kind of don't want to. I kind of want to leave them for now. And what I'm going to do is go in with the pink that I had taken out earlier. There we go. Oh, and then write in the dates. What is the date on Monday? 21st? Because today is the 18th, 19th, 21st. Jeepers. So now that that's done, I feel like I can erase the lines here. I always am able to, I'm in awe of people who don't need to draw anything beforehand. I'm gonna grab my, where is it? Here it is. My Tombow Fudonosuke brush pen to just write June in the top corner here. Because I feel like the more that I do write it, the better I will feel about this. So I'm gonna actually, what I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna brush pen the days of the week across here. So now that I've gone in there and done the dates, it's kind of crooked, but I'll make do with it. I'm gonna add actually some stuff down here at the bottom. I'm gonna be mixing up decorating. That's what I need. I'm gonna be mixing up decorating with writing in here. So let's, I need to use these because this is so pretty. I'm gonna place some washi up at the top here. And I think I'm gonna combine it with think I'm going to actually combine one of these quotes down at the bottom. Now, which one is actually going to fit? Glow. It'll probably be the Bloom with the Grace that fits the best down there. So let's grab that. Bloom with Grace. How pretty is that? It's so simple, but so pretty. And then let's grab, whoops. I'm gonna grab a couple of the florals from the back. Oh, see, these ones are pretty too. And just, I will not be able to get enough of this washi. It's so pretty. And I think it just adds so much to the spread. Let's go to the beginning of the sticker book where we have this really big floral. However, I don't think that big floral will work. Part of me is tempted to cut this and place it somewhere, but it just looks off to me, so I won't be doing that. I think what I need to find is something to put here. What I think I'm going to do is actually take this again and cut it, kind of what I did in my Archer and Olive spread, because I don't actually use the written or the part where you write on it. I'm going to cut this in half, as half as I can anyway, and place this up here. I am going to end up covering part of that 27. Oh, it's okay. And then place this other one in this corner here. Try not to cover the dates that I worked so hard to write on, and then add just a tiny bit of this. Oh, okay, love it. So now I'm going to go ahead and start filling this in. I feel like this is the before the pen. And then now I'm going to go in with my mild liners here, as well as just kind of, you know, start writing in. Maybe there's trackers that I can put down the side. I just don't know what I would be. I could track like my reading. I already have a tracker in my fitness planner, so I don't necessarily need a tracker here, but I could track reading. I could track what, I have no idea. What else would you guys put down the sidebar here? I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and start filling in the week, and then go from there. So I'm gonna go in and start writing my social media, so I'll be able to write in IG and YouTube up here at the top. So IG, which is Monday the 21st. So I'm gonna just write them all across. Do the same with YouTube. So now I'm going in with the yellow to highlight the last days of Henry's school year in kindergarten. And I really like the way that it stands out. Using the mild liners in different ways is a really great way to add dimension and function to your spread. For Robin, I'm going to put hers in pink with an R. So then on Monday, it's National Indigenous Peoples Day. Can't believe it is the last week of school for both of my kids. So now that I've got both of my kids' schedules in there, I can go in with my to-do lists. For this part of the spread, I'm putting down my to-do list, and I thought it'd be really fun to use these icons from the household sticker book. And the way that I made them stand out was by adding a little bit of mild liner behind it. So on Monday, I'm putting down that I have to meal plan and order groceries. And I also said that I wish there was a different icon for ordering groceries and meal planning. And then for Tuesday, looking at putting out the garbage. I'm sorry if it's off screen here. So I put it in with a different icon for putting out garbage. Wednesday, I used the yellow with the bucket because that's the day that my husband mops the floors. And I just think that icons with mild liner just add something to the spread. It makes it really, really cute and really, really functional. And here I take this flower to remind myself to get the teacher presents ready, as their last day of school is this week. So here I use my blue mild liner, sorry that if it's off screen, and then I use this little light bulb icon to say that I need to fill my fitness spread. And then on Thursday I am picking up groceries, so that grocery cart, I really need to write down the time for that one. And then I use this yellow to mark that at 5:55 I have a massage. I love my massages. And then I highlight across Friday, Saturday, Sunday because my husband's got a boys weekend away. And then Saturday, I just highlight that. So laundry, always laundry on a Saturday. And then Sunday is our big cleaning day. So I actually take this little house sticker with the heart and then using the mild liner, put down my little to-do list with all the house chores that we would normally do on the Sunday. All right, so I really actually like how colorful it is, but I'm still trying to get used to the layout of filling everything in, and there's no set row. It's kind of just going within its own flow. And then as the week goes, I'm going to fill out things that have happened that day once we've checked things off and things like that. So it kind of looks a little empty now, but I think throughout the week it'll definitely get a little bit better. Now, I'm also kind of wondering what I need to do on this side, or whether I should do anything at all, or if I just leave it. I'm kind of thinking maybe this will be the place that I'll put like really super important things. Yeah, that will probably come up, and you'll probably be able to see that in the After the Pen. All right, so again, this was a challenge for me, but I like challenges like this, and I'm liking trying out different methods and different ways of planning. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.